Sige, 1, 2, 3. Show your fingers. Ha? O, hain lang ka mo. Siring o siring? Siring pa, developing pa lang. Hello, ang siring. Okay, palikturong ko din. 21st century skills. Hapit na ka mo siring. Pinag-discuss na kanina. Oo, adi na ka mo, di ba? Next. Approaching. Pedagogical approaches. Sayang ka mo ito dito. Ano ang signal? Siring kung siring. Pwede siring ko to. Next. Next is assessment methods in mathematics. Sino magkarit na yun? Makarit na yung multiple choice. Answer the following. Sige, next. This is the IDF framework. Nagli-lesson plan ka mo para may mga for instructional principle. Memoryahin kita yan. What are the 4 I's para ang principle? Inclusive,
ideational, integrative, and innovative.
From the term inclusive, harang na kamo. Sigmon, pinanglan sa kuko nagtanong. Ideational, integrative, pero discuss na pa yan. Next, forces. Ang kanina, I's instructional principle. Unseen, ano yan? Instructional design. What are forces? Content, connection, collaboration, creativity. Kaya man instructional design makikita. A lesson plan, di ba? Kaya instructional design. Next. 4 is, what are the essential facets of learning? Ano nino mag-deliver imo competency? Engage, explore, experience, empathy. So, pero ano ang 4 instructional principles?
Inclusive, ideational,
Integrative, innovative. 4 instructional design?
context, connection, collaboration, creativity.
For facets of learning?
Engage, explore, experience, empathy.
Akin ni anak to ang IDF. Balik ang IDF framework. Nakita niyo? Haing dida. An IDF is the teaching, assessment, and the curriculum. Innovative, innovative, ideational, inclusive, integrative. Ano siya? Principles. And experience, empathy, explore, engage, facets of learning, and connection, content, collaboration, forces, instructional design. Sige. Munahin natin. Agoy. Balik pa kita, Chris. Next. What to teach? Ano ang itutupdo? That is the curriculum. How to teach is the teaching process. Next. How do we know they learn it? Is the assessment. So, tulo. What to teach? How to teach? How do we know they learn it? Is
Assessment.
Next. Some strategies in making mathematics inclusive? Diba? Another inclusive that is under principles. Ano ang aton nagtutudlo under inclusives? Design learning experiences that are accessible, meaningful, regardless of background and abilities. Diverse representation, varied teaching methods, culturally responsive teaching, flexible assessment, collaborative learning, supportive environment, differentiated and inclusive materials. When we say inclusive, anong karigsig nun? Engage learners to a variety of possible solutions and find unexpected connection between ideas. So, expose sila so possible solution. Integrative. When we say integrative, assist learners to see the relevance of the content to their lives and develop deeper understanding of that topic. Integration, interdisciplinary connection, real-world problems, project-based learning, thematic units, curricular assessment, and technology integration, mathematical modeling, multidimensional assessment, case studies, and contextualization, scaffolded learning. Hai yung lesson plan na design, may gabahin yung nagamit ninyo? Real world. Oo. Ano pa? Technology. Ano pa? So, damo. So, meaning, hai yung lesson. Explore creative ways, interactive technology, flip classroom, gamification, project-based, mindfulness and visualization, guest speaker, and industry, co-curricular integration, personalized learning. So these are some strategies to make mathematics innovative. Among mga innovative, hay na nagamit na niyo. Sigaw? Ha? Ini, kauhugan ko rin nagagamit. Gamification, pauyag.
Pauyag.
Diba? Oo. Common use. Kain pa. Project-based, ini, ang butla. Technology. Pwede na, technology. Interactive technology. Nagamit ka mo ng interactive technology?
Yes.
When we say context, relatable, familiar, relevant to learners' experiences. Sige, basahaan na ninyo. Among some strategies to make connection in mathematics. Connection, scaffolded, concept mapping ini, nagamit ka mo ini usahay. Pero